Everybody, today I will show you how to delete your Snapchat account easy and quick. So let's start. All what you have to do guys is to open your Snapchat, and right now as you see here, just you will go directly and open your profile. Here go open your settings and scroll down this list until you found I need help. Click. And right now, as you see, it's loading. Come to the search bar and search for delete my account. Just type it. And then if you have Android phone, click here. If you have iOS phone or iPhone, just click here. For example, may I have an Android phone, I will click Snapchat account portal. It will take me to another page. As you see, right now, write your password here, guys. Click next when you write it, and then they will send you code. This is the code. Click right now next, and after this it will take you to another page again. Right now go to delete my account. Click, and for example, this is my username. Right now I will write my password, and I will click continue, and after that my account will delete easy and quick. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, you can write it down in comments below. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.